Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K on your iPhone. First, you will need to download the official NBA 2K mobile app directly from the Apple App Store. Make sure your iPhone meets the game's minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is also crucial for downloading updates and seamless online play. This will help you avoid any interruptions during your games. Once you are in the game, mastering the controls is key. You will use the on-screen joystick to move your players around the court. Tapping and swiping gestures are essential for shooting, passing, and executing defensive plays. The game offers a comprehensive tutorial that I highly recommend completing. It will guide you through advanced moves, special abilities, and help you understand the nuances of the gameplay mechanics, making you a better player. NBA 2K Mobile offers a variety of exciting game modes to keep you engaged. You can jump into quick matches for instant action, or immerse yourself in season play to guide your team to a championship. There are also several online multiplayer modes where you can compete against other players globally. Don't forget to build your ultimate dream team by collecting player cards and upgrading their unique skills. Participate in live events for exclusive rewards. To truly excel in NBA 2K Mobile, consider these pro tips. First, customize your control layout to find a setup that feels most comfortable and efficient for your playstyle. Second, prioritize upgrading your key players. Enhancing their skills significantly boosts your team's overall strength and performance. Finally, dedicate time to learning effective defensive strategies. A strong defense is just as crucial as a powerful offense for securing victories against tough opponents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.